Hey guys, it's your Florida Parks After Dark. Hey, we're here at El Jefe Tequila's Taco Cantina, and that's Hete, sitting in Washington. So we are up here at Sunset Walk, right outside Margaritaville, Orlando, and we just want to take you a walk up at what Sunset Walk has to offer. Now, I'm up here with my two partners in crime,
Addie and Kenzie.
We're back together. It's been so long, so awesome. So you have that, and then you have Ford's Garage there, which is a great burger joint. Sugar's over there. Candy, So Fresh has bowls and wraps and very healthy stuff. Now we're walking right next to a soap store, kind of like Basin, but different. They have the Verizon store, a nail salon, and Bahama Bucks is where you can get that Italian shaved ice. Over here they have Fat Tuesdays we just passed, and then they also have River Street Sweets. Let's turn to that. River Street Sweets. We'll come back here and show you the sign. They have great sweets in here. Candied apples are amazing. The fudge is crazy good. We'll keep going down. Now, we just literally left the arcade that's right here. You're about to see it. I would say we did a vlog on it and check the channel out for it. Without a doubt, it is the best arcade we've ever seen. Oversized games, fun games, traditional games, throwback games. They have mini bowling. It's everything. It's really just an awesome spot. Cross back over on the other side, you have Bento, which is your Asian Chinese food, Asian sushi. That is actually a Sirius XM radio station. There's an escapeology, so you can have one of those escape rooms. Now that store was an axe throwing store that's now in transition. They're bringing something in. We've heard it's popcorn. Haven't seen anything come through it yet. Sunnyside, which is next to the axe throwing place, is closed. Is another like sandwiches and smoothies, which is really nice. And then this is great here. This is what they have at Sunset Walk. They have a stage area with cafe lights and tables, and they have even like a little kind of astroturf grass area to play in. So every night they have somebody up here playing live music, so about 10 o'clock. So we're a little late for that tonight, but it really is awesome. Right next to it is a Stefan's Kitchen. Gloria Stefan, who very famous in the 80s musician, she has her kitchen here, which is a Hispanic Cuban mixed restaurant. They have an indoor-outdoor bar attached. So this bar actually is outside, but rolls through, and inside the bar extends in. A lot of live music here and events in there. Great space. On this side is one of our favorite barbecue joints outside of Walt Disney World. We love Disney's pulled pork sandwiches, but Lizzie's Memphis Style Barbecue has a fantastic pulled pork sandwich and great barbecue chicken. Connected to that is the Wharf. The Wharf has dueling pianos, so then some nights they're dueling pianos. They also do a lot of impersonators of famous bands, Led Zeppelin and Michael Jackson and Prince. They go through Wharf. But that's more of a seafood offering. And then kind of as you go up here, I'll show you. They have a Skechers shoe store there. Next to that is, and we'll zoom in for a second, let me get you right there. That's the Cowboy Chicken that we get food from as recently as up today. We have Stone Cold Creamery. Then there's the liquor store. And there's two stores at the very end are dark. We're putting new things in there. It's going to be a burger joint and another pizza joint, and then behind that they're actually installing a coffee drive-up. You know I love my coffee, so I'm so excited about that happening. So that's all here. That center section, they have grass area. They have a bounce, like a kind of a bungee there. They have bag throwing things in the middle there. It's just really just a great space here. So guys, this is George Florida Parks After Dark. This is Sunset Walk, right outside Margaritaville. If you want to kind of get a Disney Springs vibe without remotely the crowd and way better parking, this is where you would love to go. So that being said, it's a fantastic evening. Like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you later.